Well, once upon a time we used to say, sing is king, sing is king, sing is king. That khatam ho gayi baat yaar, khatam. It is finished and gone. Now it is Salman is king, Salman is king, Salman is king, because he is king of the box office and beyond.
सलमान इज अ वेरी वेरी ह्यूज स्टार और अभी जो उनकी पॉपुलैरिटी है वो कुछ बहुत पीक पर है एंड सलमान से कुछ भी एक्सपेक्टेड है. उनके साथ कोई भी एक अच्छी फिल्म बनाए तो वो नंबर्स, इनक्रेडिबल नंबर्स आ सकते हैं. वैसे भी सलमान इज केपेबल ऑफ, as it is bringing a huge crowd to the theaters, and maybe a very average film of his also in this today's time can do extremely well.
This is how the Dabangg 2 director Arbaz Khan describes his brother Salman, and he's not far off target when he says that Sallu is by far the most bankable star among the current lot of Bollywood's big boys. It's been over 4 years now that Salman Khan has literally ruled the roost. From giving back-to-back blockbusters to thoroughly entertaining the audiences, the Dabangg star has done it all. His 2012 release, Dabangg, managed to garner in an approximate of rupees 140 crores at the box office. In 2011, he came with his movie Ready, which raked up an approximate of rupees 125 crore. 2011 Eid saw the release of his film Bodyguard, which broke records of Dabangg and crashed in almost 150 crore rupees at the box office.
मुझ पर एक एहसान करना कि मुझ पर कोई एहसान न करना.
In 2012, Yash Raj has already earned rupees 198 crore from Ek Tha Tiger. As far as 2012 is concerned, it can't be a better year for this Khan. After all, he's ready and riding on the success of Ek Tha Tiger.
The expectations are huge from Dabangg 2, naturally, because it comes after Ek Tha Tiger, which almost breasted the 200 crore mark, and then also because of it's riding on the Dabangg franchise. So he's got two-pronged foundation for the expectations to be piled up even higher and higher. But yes, will it live up to it? It will live up to a very large extent, in the sense it will make a lot of money.
Many a time the star has been criticized for sticking to a formula.
तुम जिस मिशन पे जाते हो, कोई न कोई मारा जाता है.
All his recent films, from Wanted to Bodyguard, Ready, Dabangg and Ek Tha Tiger, all have seen him in action-packed roles, playing either the honest cop or the angry young man. And Mr. Khan is very clear about his act. He's not in it to make art house cinema. It's the action comedy that he's known for, and that's what he delivers. While most of Salman's colleagues in the industry are busy trying to consolidate their place in the 100 crore club, Salman Khan has got busy raising the benchmark to rupees 200 crore, a mark that only one other star has made it to so far, Aamir Khan.
हम क्या बनना चाहते थे? किसी ने पूछा ही नहीं.
He crossed that mark with 3 Idiots. And if there's anyone in Bollywood who can outdo Aamir, it's Salman. After all, his last movie, Ek Tha Tiger, missed the magic 200 crore mark by a tiger's whisker.
तुम्हारी शादी हो गई?
डायरेक्ट शादी? ये नहीं पूछोगी कि गर्लफ्रेंड है?
नहीं, अब तुम्हारी उम्र शादी की हो गई है.
And it's not only about cinema. This Khan rules television as well. What began with Das Ka Dam has now morphed into Bigg Boss 6 in 2012. Earning him mega bucks and loads of fans on TV too. And talking bucks, Salman has earned an estimated 750 crore rupees over the last 3 years. Well, sirf ek hai tiger in Bollywood, and he goes by the name of Salman Khan. with Susan Jose in Mumbai and Denzel O'Connell. Entertainment Bureau headlines today.